Jasmine plants are cherished for their fragrant flowers and attractive foliage. Growing jasmine indoors allows you to enjoy their delightful scent and beauty year-round. Here are 8 of the best jasmine varieties to grow indoors. 1. Arabian Jasmine Jasminum sambac. Description: this variety produces intensely fragrant, small white flowers. Care: prefers bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Ideal for warm, humid conditions. 2. Common Jasmine Jasminum officinale. Description: known for its sweet-scented white or pale pink flowers. Care: needs bright light and regular watering. It can be trained to climb or grow as a shrub. 3. Madagascar Jasmine Stephanotis floribunda. Description: features waxy, white, tubular flowers with a strong fragrance. Care: requires bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. Thrives in humid conditions. 4. Dwarf Jasmine Jasminum parkeri. Description: a compact, bushy plant with small, yellow flowers. Care: grows well in bright light and requires regular watering. Suitable for small spaces. 5. Winter Jasmine Jasminum nudiflorum. Description: blooms with bright yellow flowers in late winter to early spring. Care: needs bright light and moderate watering. More tolerant of cooler temperatures than other jasmines. 6. Star Jasmine Trachlospermum jasminoides. Description: produces star-shaped, white flowers with a strong fragrance. Care: prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Keep soil evenly moist. 7. Italian Jasmine Jasminum humule. Description: features clusters of bright yellow flowers with a mild fragrance. Care: requires bright light and regular watering, can tolerate lower humidity levels. 8. Spanish Jasmine Jasminum grandiflorum. Description: produces large, white, star-shaped flowers with a sweet scent. Care: thrives in bright light and needs consistent moisture. Prefers higher humidity. General care tips for indoor jasmine plants. Light: most jasmine varieties prefer bright, indirect light. A south-facing window with filtered light is ideal. Watering: keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Humidity: jasmine plants thrive in higher humidity. Increase humidity by using a humidifier, placing the pot on a tray of pebbles with water, or misting the leaves regularly. Temperature: maintain indoor temperatures between 60–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing the plants near drafts or heating vents. Fertilization: feed with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Pruning: prune after flowering to shape the plant and encourage new growth. Remove any dead or weak stems. Potting: use a well-draining potting mix and a container with drainage holes. Repot every 1 to 2 years to refresh the soil and accommodate growth. By selecting the right variety and providing proper care, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of jasmine plants indoors throughout the year.